So there's actually a strange thing happening on YouTube right now. YouTube are focusing on promoting more smaller channels than ever before. So if you're watching this video and you don't have a YouTube channel, this is one of the best opportunities for you to grow in 2025. And right now, it's one of the biggest opportunities for you to not only grow on YouTube, but make money as well. And there are countless small channels making 10, 20, 30, 40K a month by just uploading videos on YouTube. And I'm not talking about AdSense, I'm not talking about affiliate marketing, and I'm not even talking about brand deals. So make sure you watch this video to the very end and I'll explain exactly how these YouTubers are making so much money in 2025. So firstly, one of the biggest changes that's happened in YouTube is a lot of people are just uploading a lot more raw content. Now, what do I mean by raw content? What I mean by that is that people are uploading videos with minimal editing, no graphics, no visual effects, just literally videos just like this, where I'm talking in front of a camera and that's it. There's no music, there's no editing, there's no visual effects, you know, it's completely raw and it's just bringing value. Now, I think one of the people that actually discovered this was a guy called William Brown. And William Brown also told his friend, Charlie Morgan, to start doing the exact same thing. Now, if you first have a look at William Brown's channel, you can see exactly how many views he's got by using the system. Now, he calls this system the I don't care method. And essentially, he just uploads videos on YouTube, doesn't care how he makes those videos. He just makes the videos, provides value, and uploads it. Now, you can see how many views he's got from doing the system. You've then got someone else called Charlie Morgan. And as you can see from Charlie Morgan, he made these same type of videos and he also blew up on YouTube. And what's amazing about this is not only do the videos have no editing, no visual effects, no graphics, nothing like that. They also have essentially no thumbnail. Like the thumbnail is just a screenshot of the video. And more creators are using this method to grow their YouTube channel. Now, granted, I'm not saying that if you start a YouTube channel today and make these type of videos, you're just going to blow up instantly. That's not necessarily how it works. You still need to provide value in the videos. And if you do not provide value, well, your video is just not going to get views. Let me give you another example, right? You've got this person over here. You can see how many views his video's got. And the video is literally titled An Old Man's Advice. And as you can see from the thumbnail, it's literally just a screenshot of the video. There's no production value, there's no editing, there's no graphics, no visual effects. And literally, it's just some old man who decided to film a video and upload it onto YouTube. And that video blew up mainly because he provided value. So we're shifting from these Iman Gadzi style videos to sort of raw, unedited videos that provide value. Now, of course, it also depends on what niche you're on. If you're in the entertainment niche, there's probably going to be some level of editing required. There's going to be some level of visual effects. There's going to be some level of thumbnail. However, in the education niche, that's not really too important. You just need to make videos that provide value, because people in the education niche, they don't really care about the visual effects. They don't really care about, you know, all the graphics and all of that kind of stuff. They literally just care about the value. So this is why value is extremely important. It doesn't necessarily matter how you package the video. To a certain extent, it is important, of course, because as Mr. Beast used to say, that you can have the best video in the world, but if no one clicks on it, you're not going to get views. So there is some element of packaging required. But honestly, if you can make simple thumbnails that attract viewers, and if you can make a great video which just provides value, then you're going to get views naturally. And it might take a while, right? It might take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 videos before you get that one video that goes viral. But the more value you provide, the more you give to your audience, the more YouTube are going to push your content. And as I mentioned earlier, there is a big shift on YouTube side of things where they're promoting a lot more smaller creators. Like I'd go on my YouTube homepage and I'd see a lot of small creators on there. So this is part of YouTube's strategy to push out more small creators. And you're probably asking, why would YouTube do that? Well, at the end of the day, YouTube is a business, right? And a lot of these small creators aren't even monetized. So because they're not monetized, YouTube can basically promote them, get views, get paid on the ads, and YouTube will make the full cut. So this is why it's interesting that a lot of small creators are getting pushed. A lot of small creators are getting pushed on the algorithm. Now there is no excuse for you not to be on YouTube, because honestly, YouTube has changed my life, right? I started YouTube literally 3 years ago, and I've been grinding away on YouTube. I've been consistently uploading, and you know, it's got me to where it's got me currently. But honestly, without YouTube, I wouldn't be making the money I'm making today. Now, I mentioned earlier how small creators are making 10, 20, 30, 40, 50K, some even 100K a month. Now, you're probably asking, how do they do that? And honestly, views are not important. I know creators that have 700, 800 subscribers that are making 30 to 40K a month. Let me give you a massive example. There's someone called William Brown, as I mentioned earlier. As you can see from his videos, he averages around 5, 6K views, which by YouTube standard isn't a lot, right? But he's making $466,000 a month. Now you're probably asking, how does he do that? Well, let me give you another example. You've got Charlie Morgan here. Now, granted, he's getting a little bit more views than William Brown, 18k views, 20k views. He makes around $800,000 a month. So this just shows how powerful YouTube is, right? And let me give you another example. Let me give you myself as an example, right? I've got just under 4,000 subscribers, okay? I was working a 9-to-5 job in the UK. I quit my job and I moved to Dubai with no savings, no plan, no nothing, right? I just packed my bags, quit my job, and just moved to Dubai. Now, I was making some sort of income online, which kept me going for a bit. However, when I discovered this business model, I went from making 3 to 4k a month to over 10k a month. And that's just by leveraging my YouTube channel. And all of these guys, including myself, we're not making this money from AdSense. We're not making this money from sponsorships. We're not making this money from affiliate marketing. What all of us are doing is leveraging our coaching program. Now, you're probably asking, what is a coaching program? What is a coaching business? Well, essentially, it's one-to-one mentorship. And my coaching business is essentially where I help people who are just like me quit their 9-to-5 job, make money online, and scale them to over 10k a month. And literally, it's just one-to-one mentorship, and I give you the exact same systems and strategies that I use to quit my job and make money online. And literally anyone can do this. Even if you don't have a YouTube channel right now, you can start a YouTube channel and make some crazy money. All you have to do is sell your knowledge. And I'll give you an example. There's a woman that's making 18k a month by teaching people how to knit. There's another person teaching people how to be a good stay-at-home wife. She's earning 6 figures a year, all by leveraging her small YouTube channel. And her YouTube channel doesn't get many views. And all you have to do is just make good content, good valued content, where you find your clients who will then book a call with you. And then on that call, you can convert them and make them a client. Honestly, it's as simple as that. So if this is something you are interested in, if this is a business model that you want to do, and you want to start a YouTube channel in 2025, and you need guidance, you need mentorship, you need the systems and strategies that I use to help quit my 9-to-5 job to making over 10k a month online. If that's something you're interested in, well, I've got a link in the description. Make sure you book a call with me. We'll jump on the call and we'll see if we're a good fit to work together, and I'll see if there's anything I can do to help you. 2025 can easily be your year. You just need to make one decision that will change your life, because that's exactly what I did. I made one decision to leave the UK, to work on my online businesses, and that's what's allowed me to make money online.